Now, a little birdie told me that you guys have been searching for ways to cancel your Leaply subscription, and that is why I'm here today. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you step-by-step tutorial on how you can cancel your Leaply subscription. Now, before we get to the tutorial on how to cancel your subscription, I just wanted to share how I've been using the Leaply app, because I'm going to tell you for free that this has been such a game changer for me. It has helped me feel lighter. It has helped me feel better. You guys know that I had cosmetic surgery about 3 months ago, and one of the ways that I've been supporting my body to return back to usual is by using the lymphatic plan on the Leaply app, because this helps to activate my lymphatic system and it just helps me feel so much better, reduces my bloating, and just helps me feel all around good. And that is one thing I love. Now, the best part about this is the fact that many practice sessions are only about 5 to 10 minutes. It's not a course, it's not a tutorial, it is a habit building tool. So I want you to think about it this way. On day one of you going to the gym, you're going to feel good because of the endorphins that have been released into your body. You're going to feel nice, but you're not going to see any transformation in your body, versus if you went to the gym for 30 days. At that point, you would begin to see significant changes in the way your body is looking, and that is the power of consistency and habit building. And that is exactly what Leaply focuses on. It focuses on consistency, it focuses on habit building, because the people who see real results from Leaply are the ones who show up consistently every single day for 1 month, every single day for 3 months. Those are the people who see real results. You're not going to see any significant results on day 1 or day 3. You might feel good, you might feel, better than you were yesterday, but in terms of long-lasting results, you need to show up, you need to be consistent, and you need to do it every day. Now, the best part about this for me is the fact that there are different plans that are customized to you based on just the answers that you give in the personalized quiz at the beginning of the session. So you could have a lymphatic plan, you could have a vagus nerve plan. It just depends on the way that you've answered. This is not a one-size-fits-all. Now, the part that we've all been waiting for, how to cancel this subscription. One thing that I just want you to do is in your app, in the Leaply app, you just go over straight to settings, and once you've gone over to settings, then you will go to membership information. When you click on membership information, there will be an option for you to turn off auto renewal, and that is the button that I want you to click. Important thing is, if your subscription is supposed to renew maybe tomorrow, you want to do at least 24 hours before the subscription is due to renew, so that you can stop that auto renewal. Or you can just contact the customer service. There will be customer service information on the screen, so you guys can reach out to them and send them all your details. They'll help you with the cancellation. It's really straightforward and really simple for you to cancel this subscription. Anyways, if you guys decide at any point that you wanted to join back in, you can again send them a message, contact center a message, and they can help you either restart your subscription or start all over from scratch, just depending on how long of a break that you took. Anyways, guys, I hope that this has been helpful, and I hope that it has helped you answer the question on how to cancel your Leaply subscription. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Renewal. I would love to have you over here, so please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.